Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chili fries. First, select your preferred potatoes like russets and cut them into uniform strips, about 1/4 inch thick. You can deep fry them until they are golden and crispy, or bake them for a lighter touch. Remember to season your hot fries with a sprinkle of salt right after cooking to enhance their flavor. This ensures a perfect base for your chili. Next, let's prepare the star of the show, the chili. Brown 1 pound of ground beef or a plant-based alternative in a large pot. Drain any excess fat, then add chopped onions, garlic, and your preferred chili spices. Stir in 1 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 1 15-ounce can of kidney beans. Let it simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to combine beautifully. Now for the exciting part, assembling your chili fries. Start by arranging a generous portion of your hot, crispy fries on a sturdy serving plate. Next, ladle a hearty amount of your warm, savory chili directly over the fries, ensuring every fry gets some delicious topping. Finish by sprinkling shredded cheddar cheese generously over the chili, and for an extra touch, add some fresh chopped green onions. Your homemade chili fries are now ready to be devoured. Serve them immediately while everything is still wonderfully hot and fresh. Feel free to offer extra toppings like sliced jalapenos, a dash of hot sauce, or even a fried egg for an indulgent twist. Remember, chili fries are meant to be a little messy, so grab a fork and enjoy this ultimate comfort food.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.